All right. You know what these are all about. You've done them before. You're looking up a definition of the word or writing a definition, keeping in mind that it has to fit the story. Okay, so deed, for example, can mean a piece of paper saying who owns land, or it can be something that you do. So you have to go look up in the story and figure out which one is right. Here's a link to the story. There's also one on Schoology. I even told you what page the word was on, okay? Then make sure you write a sentence using this word in the sentence based on the definition that you came up with. Capital letters, punctuation, that matters when we write sentences, and I'm a little more strict on it on this one than I am on some of the other ones. I don't always look at that, but for this one I am. Also notice you have to do all the words, okay? There's 7 words. Some of them you're probably familiar with, like exhausted and interrupting. And if not, look them up. Ask someone that's around if they can help you, or ask me, okay? Good chance to learn some new words that you can add to your vocabulary. Code word today is work. W-O-R-K. Work. All right? You got this. Let me know if you need help, as always.